Please be aware that you may experience very strong emotional shifts during this video. Use at your own risk. Hey there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Mind Body Wisdom Expert and Master Dowser. The other day I was watching a Star Trek The Next Generation episode, and you know how they always say at the beginning, Patrick Stewart says, to boldly go where no one has gone before. And I thought, oh, that sounds so good. And I thought, I wonder if I feel that way, because sometimes I just can't move forward on certain things, and sometimes I can't even figure out what it is that's stopping me besides like a fear of failure, and I clear that out and I still have that feeling. So I dowsed for myself to see if I, Colleen Flanagan, had this feeling, like a belief that I can boldly go where no one has gone before. And dowsing is just a simple way to tap into your subconscious mind and find out the blocks to whatever you want to create in your life. And you can use it to help other people, to heal yourself, to heal them. Some people use it to find lost objects or minerals or water. To me, it's the greatest gift I ever gave to myself. So what I do to douse is I just ask a question and I bring my hands together, and if my fingertips touch, that's a yes answer. If they fall to my palm, that's a no answer. So after I heard boldly go where no one's gone before, I just asked this question. I, Colleen Flanagan, believe that I have the ability to boldly go where no one has gone before. No, I thought I did, but my subconscious mind, which controls 90 to 95% of everything, plus the energy emanating from me, it didn't believe it. So I wanted to know why. Do you know why I don't believe I can boldly go where where no one has gone before? And I just started hearing answers. Because I'm a woman, because I'm of Irish descent, because I come from a poor family, because I've screwed up a bunch of opportunities in my life and relationships. All this stuff started coming up. It's like emotional vomit. So gross. So I just started clearing it, and that's the topic of this video, how you can do this for yourself. And I hope that this information sparks some knowledge on what's blocking you from moving forward on a specific project. Or whatever, life changes, whatever you want to do. It's usually one of 5 fears. Fear of failure, fear that with success comes consequences, like the higher the level, the worse the devil. Fear of not being safe, fear the bad times will never end. Fears that you're going to be rejected and abandoned by other people or attacked by them. So let's just start clearing this out now, and anything that comes up for you, please write it down real quickly, any memories, and just release the emotions and the fears that are connected with those memories in this very simple technique. We're clearing the governing vessel meridian, which actually controls the energy flow in our bodies and all the energy around us. You know, our bodies are electrical, right? And that's how everything runs, through the energy and electricity of the body. So when we clear the governing vessel meridian, while we repeat clearing statements and affirmations, we actually create what we want to have happen. So I've been doing this for many, many years, and it's worked great for people all over the world and their animal friends, their houses, their plants. So I hope you enjoy this as well. All right, let's get started. I now release all my fears that I am not allowed to boldly go where no one's gone before. I release this fear that I'm a failure. I could never boldly go where no one has gone before. I release my fear that the bad times will never end if I try to boldly go where no one has gone before, because I'm of Irish descent, because I'm a woman, because I came from a poor family, because I've made a lot of mistakes in my life, in love and money, work, so many different things. I let go of all these fears now, that I'm not good enough to boldly go where no one has gone before. I'm not smart enough. I'm not funny enough. I don't have what it takes to boldly go where no one has gone before. I'm no Captain Picard. I'm no Commander Worf. And I'm certainly no Data, I'll tell you that. So I'm just feeling all this energy go all over the place, letting myself relax a little bit. And I'm just going to retest again. I, Colleen Flanagan, believe 100% that I can boldly go where no one has gone before. In love, in money, in business, in relationships. There's no stopping me. Nope. All right, Scotty, beam me up. Thank you so much for watching. If you want more information, how to clear painful emotions and blocks and traumas out of your life, all you have to do is go to my website, emorescue.com. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel. Please like this video, comment on it if you like, especially if you're another Star Trek fan like I am. I don't care what Star Trek it is. I love them all. Thanks again for watching. Take care. Peace out. Live long and prosper. Subscribe to my bi-monthly newsletter and get 10 free chapters of Fearless Accurate Dowsing. There are links to all my Amazon books on the homepage, emorescue.com. Thank you.